Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing. This is Nadine West. I do this one a lot. I do it. It seems like it should be every month, but it's way less than that. They just send you a new one every time they get yours back, which is kind of weird, kind of annoying, not gonna lie. But if you're not familiar with this subscription, this is a styling service. Basically, you pay the shipping, which is about $10 every time you get one. And then that's the only thing you pay if you don't keep anything. If you do keep everything, they take that off your bill and then they give you a discount. If you keep only one thing, they apply the shipping to it, but and then you pay the difference. You know what I mean? This is probably one of the more budget-friendly styling services. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's a miss. So we're gonna open this together and find out what I received this month. So I just took it all out of the bag so you can kind of see everything at once. You do fill out a style survey to help them send you items. I did update mine recently because I just didn't like what they were sending me. I felt like it was kind of repetitive and redundant. You do get a return shipping label, and then this tells you everything that you have and the prices. We'll go over that at the end of the video. Something I don't like about this subscription is that you always have to get jewelry. Like, you don't have an option. I never keep it. So first up is this little teardrop shaped chain. It says something on it. I don't even know what that says. Anyway, and then there's a bracelet or earrings. It's gold and silver, which I hate mixing metals, so no, that's a no. Total no for me. So we're gonna get into the actual clothes now. So this is the first outfit. So the shirt is oversized. It is cute and soft. We'll see what the price is though. I don't know that I want clothes like this from Nadine West. I didn't specifically say I wanted nicer clothing. The pants are cute. They are bell bottom, but they're like stretchy tops. So I don't know.
Like and subscribe or a cockroach will crawl on you in your sleep.
That's inappropriate. Goodbye.
Really?
Yes. Anyway, so this is cute. I don't hate it. All right, so then there's this guy. This is a shirt. I don't hate it. I thought I was gonna hate it when I saw the shape, but I like it. I love the color. Color's beautiful, but I'm not into I don't think I love the silhouette. I kept it with the same pants, so it's just the shirt this time, guys. Then we have the exact same shirt in a gray color. I just don't I guess they're trying. I don't know. I'm not loving the idea that I got the exact same shirt in two different colors. This is not the first time it's happened either. They do it quite a bit. So I don't know. The final outfit that includes pants is this, these like joggers, black joggers. Oh, it's my reading nook in my new house. Do you guys like it? I put a little shelf so that I like it, huh? It's like a beachy, got the beachy vibes. Anyway, so it's like these joggers, which are really soft inside and comfortable. We'll see the price though, because that's the real kicker for me. And then this black top, it's nice. I don't hate it. I do like these sleeves, but I just have things already like that, so I don't really need something like that, you know? Okay, so there were two dresses included in the box. The first is this black dress. I actually really love this. I think it's like casual. My daughter just said slay. And I think it's great. I didn't button the sleeve, but it is a long sleeve dress. But it's very like, it's not just like, you know, a dress. It's like an everyday dress. And I think it's really pretty and fetching. This is the final item. This is it's probably sideways. This is a shirt dress that it looks cool, but I don't love the shape of it. Like, I feel like it's boxy, and I think if you've ever seen these videos before, I don't like that shape or whatever, that silhouette. But I do like the plaid. I don't know. I have to think about that. But now we're gonna look at the prices, which is, let's be honest, the most important part. Just being honest. Okay, so we tried everything on in the Nadine West package. Now we're gonna go over the prices. So I'm gonna try to set this up. It's a softy one here on my bed. There, how's that? Not really, it didn't really work. But, all right, we'll just all enjoy like this. All right. So, the first item is the navy Stella top. What the heck? Maybe this? I don't know. These make me so confused. The way they label the items, it's very confusing. And I know they do put it on the website, but like sometimes that's wrong. And I just like, I want this thing to tell me. I want this to tell me. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so it says the top Stella in navy is $33.99. That's the only top, right? That would be navy. So this is $33.99. It's soft, it's comfy. I like the way it looked on, but I don't want to pay $33.99 for something I'm going to wear around my house. So that's a no for me. All right, so then we have the Kimberly's tunic with hidden pockets in camel. That was the Yeleti shirt that I said I like the color. So that is $33.99 as well. For that price, I like this color. I was kind of on the fence about the silhouette of it, and so for that reason, $33.99. I cannot make that make sense. I have to also say, I'm going to put the jewelry here. I'll tell you the jewelry now as well. So the earrings are $17.99. That was these gold silver hoops. And then the necklace is $34.99. I have to tell you guys, I'm like spoiled. We have if you guys have a Gabe's, do you guys have a Gabe's where you live? If you do, let me know down below. If you've never shopped there, it is amazing. Ours, what they'll do is they like do buyouts. You know, they'll go to retailers that are getting rid of their end of season clothing, and they'll buy them out. You'll find items from Express, American Eagle. They had Tokyo Laundry, I think it is called. Just tons and tons of really cool clothes. I sound like a commercial, a fraction of the price, but they really do have, and like for dresses and stuff, I'm spoiled. I buy them there and they're like $8, and I just can't, like, I'm like, oh, I know I can get that less expensive. So, all right. So anyway, continuing, just so you guys know where I'm coming from, that I'm not like, everything's so expensive, but like in life, especially if you have kids, like I don't want to be spending $40 on a top, especially when I have 5,000 in my closet. You know what I mean? Oh, all right. So anyway, this is, we're going to go down. Are we going down the list? The Sheila Rose Adele top in black. That would be, this guy. I'm just throwing things around. This is $32.99. I have too many things that are similar to this to pay that much. I think $32.99 for a shirt is a lot. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Like, I'm really curious, like, what you guys expect to pay when it comes to a top that you're not going to wear on a special occasion. Do you see what I'm saying? Like something that you wear every day. I like t-shirts. This is my Power Rangers t-shirt. I got it because my son used to love Power Rangers, and when he saw this, he was like, it's a Megazord. And so like, that was that. What's the alarm clock? Anyway, all right. So next we have the top Eleanor Rowe long sleeve, and that's $27.99. That's this, which is exactly the same as the other. So this is $27.99. I mean, because that's gray. That's not navy, right? I mean, I'm, kind of confused. Anyway, all right. So then we have the bottoms. That's where the black joggers, those are $33.99. So those are. Joggers, $33.99? Absolutely not. And then there's the pants, which I actually thought were pretty cute. We're going to see how much those are. Those are $27.99. That's actually not bad. I think I'm going to keep those. I think I might. I like them. I don't have anything like that. And I used to always wear bell bottoms when I was younger. All right. And so then we have the dress in blue black. That would be, the check. The check. That is $40.99. Oh, that's too expensive. So I went downstairs with this on after I put it on, and I showed everybody. And my girls were like, oh, I love it. It's so cool. And I said, my husband loves plaid. He loves me in plaid. He loves plaid. He just loves it. I was like, what do you think of this? He's like, I like it, but it needs to be cinched. And I was like, yeah, it's just not, the shape isn't there. And I could belt it, like, but you know what? At $40.99, I don't want to have to. I don't want to have to. So that's a no. I'm just going to be honest. But this guy, I love this. I'm just going to be honest and say I'm going to keep this black dress because I love it. It's also $40.99, but it's worth it because it's so beautiful. It's just so pretty. Yeah, don't you love it? I just think it's so pretty, and I don't have anything like that. So anyway, that's what I'm going to keep. That's what I'm going to send back. That's what, actually, I'm going to keep that. This is what I'm going to keep. That's what I'm going to send back. And yeah, that's my Nadine West for this month. I hope you guys liked this video. Different kind of style. I actually tried everything on. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time.